guys? Orange here, and welcome back to another video. Today's topic, or today's thing, is about Diesel. Basically, he knows he shouldn't bite his bed, but when Pickles saw he was biting his bed and told him to stop, he knew he was making a mistake. Let's see what happens.
Diesel, can you come out? Do you want to eat? Diesel, why don't you move? Huh? You make a mistake? Diesel? Huh?
Make
Diesel?
mistake?
Diesel? Move! Huh? Did you die? Are you dying?
You dead?
Are you dead?
Wait, okay, hold on. Hey, wait, Diesel? Are you alive? Hello? You alive, buddy? You alive? Yo! Yo, he's not moving! Yo, get up! He's not moving! Are you serious? Are you serious? After the incident, we thought he died. But turns out he was actually fine. He's just a trickster. We don't like him anymore. He faked his own death like any supervillain in any cartoon movie. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, comment, and like. Oh yeah, and Diesel has an Instagram now. Go follow him at Diesel the Hot Dog. So yeah, share it with your friends. Comment again. I love reading comments because I get like one or two. But anyway, thank you guys for so much for watching this video, and peace.